Hey everybody, I'm going to be doing a Trader Joe's haul. And I'm not going to be doing grocery hauls all the time, but I don't know if I'm going to be doing my cook and eat video, and I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm up to for my next upcoming video because I'm actually really tired. I feel like I've been ran over by a bus, my arm hurts, and yeah, and it's hot outside, and I just got my vaccine. I think that's a side effect. I haven't even worked out because my whole body just feels exhausted and heavy, and my arm is kind of hurting. So, but other than that, I'm fine. And I did have a little bit of a fever the third day in, but it went away. So there's nothing to be afraid of. It's just whoever's out there, be prepared to feel a little bit tired and weak, I think. And yeah, and it is what it is. But let's get into this. So this is what I'm up to. Let's get the frozen stuff out of the way. And this is 2 whole cold lobsters. I got this actually from Walmart, and this is what I'm going to be doing. I don't think I'm going to need both of them because they're huge, but I'm going to use one, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in the freezer in a minute. That's why I'm getting through this part first. And then I did get these are from Trader Joe's. The reason I got them is because I'm a shrimp lover, and this is a different style of shrimp. So I don't know, wild Argentine? Argentina Tian. I can't pronounce it. Okay, wild Argentinian. Okay. If I screwed that up, it's not my fault. I've never seen nothing like this before. Raw Argentinian Red Shrimp. I wanted to try these because they look really different, and they're pretty big. And I just wanted to try them because of the taste. But you're going to be getting 20 to 25 count. This is a 16-ounce bag. This was a bit pricey. It was $10, I think. $9.99 or maybe $10.99. The ones I get from Walmart are usually like, $6.99 a bag, maybe $5.99, and that's just for the large shrimp. But I think this actually has more in it. Or it appears to have more in it, or maybe they're just bigger and they look more meatier. They have a different texture. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out in my video. And yeah, so hold on one sec. I'm going to go ahead and put this in. Oh wait, one more frozen thing before I go. And these right here, these are the true Belgian Brussels sprouts from Trader Joe's. I've been buying these for years. Now, what I like about these is they are different tasting. I don't care what anybody says. They're smaller. So I think they pick them at the right stage of the growth, because if you get a Brussels sprout that's too big, it's going to have a bitterness to it. And sometimes that doesn't matter. And a lot of people don't like them for that reason. But if you get them at the right stage in the right size, they have that perfect taste. And these right here, you could never go wrong. These, oh my goodness, you could boil these without anything whatsoever, and I could eat them plain. That's how good they are. So I did pick up those frozen items, and then I'm going to get into what I'm going to be doing in a minute here, so hold on. Alright, so this is what I'm going to be doing with the lobster. In my next upload, I'm probably not going to do it this weekend, but this is what I'm up to. I got me these at Trader Joe's. This is the zucchini squash. You could get them from anywhere, so the only difference between these, I guess, is it's a product of Mexico, maybe? All squash don't come from Mexico, I don't know. But they're just from Trader Joe's, basically. This is just like any other zucchini. So, so anyways, yeah. So I'm going to be doing some zucchini noodles instead of regular noodles because, once again, I'm low carb. And I got some, this is something new I'm trying. This is the Trader Joe's cream. No, this ain't the one. Okay, this right here. The New Zealand salted butter. Okay, this is made with milk from grass-fed cows, and it's from New Zealand. And this is about $2 and something. It's almost $3, but, it's really not that much, I don't feel, because I don't use butter a lot. So I'll use very little. So this lasts me probably all a month. And yeah, so I got this because I just want to see the taste of it. I'm really excited about this because there is a difference in taste when it comes to, like, when you really use like butter as your main ingredient as far as dipping sauce for like fish and seafood and stuff like that. This does make a difference, so I'm excited about tasting that. Yeah, so I got that, And then I do have garlic. I bought some stuff, you know, like regular produce. I got the garlic, the lemons, and stuff like that, and the onion. And then I got the jalapenos because, you know, I need some heat in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making some spicy, I guess, lobster shrimp scampi. So I'm probably just going to use one of the lobsters and some fish, or not fish. I was going to put fish in it, but I decided not to. And the shrimp. Because I came across the shrimp. So so I'm always doing my own little thing as far as, you know, coming up with my own little recipe. So this is just my own little thing that I came up with. And I grabbed the ingredients as I was thinking about it in the store. So I'm just going to be using your basic shrimp scampi ingredients. And yeah. And I did get this too. This is the South African smoke seasoning blend. I'm going to be using this on some chicken. So I'm going to be trying that too. Maybe I will try it on a little bit of the seafood just to taste it. Yeah, maybe. And just, you know, put a little dab on a piece. Because I really want to see how this tastes. Because I've heard some good reviews on it on other videos. You know, Trader Joe hauls and stuff like that. And also from a different Trader Joe haul because I watch a lot of them. I just like it. But I got these spicy kosher dill pickles, which somebody said they're amazing. And this is a good little snack for like low carb people. And they're 0 fat, 0 carbs. So I did get these. I'm very excited about these because I'm a pickle person. So yeah. So, you know, everybody knows jalapenos are jalapenos. And they're from Trader Joe's, so whatever. But I did get this right here because I needed some dipping stuff for my actual crackers that I got, I guess you could call them. And this is the sour cream spinach dip. The macros on it are pretty good. And yeah, so I got this so I could try these out right here. Because I'm not into chips. I've been eating pork rinds forever, so I wanted something different. So these are the cauliflower crisp snacks. And I got these. And once again, people know how to check out the back if you're low carb or not, whatever. And I got 2 bags of those. And then I did get these too because I have tried the ones from like, you know, other places like Walmart and stuff like that. But I got the Trader Joe's oven baked cheese bites made with 100% real cheese. And I'm going to be trying those out too. Or Trader Guidos. Trader Guidos. Guidos. Okay. If I butchered that too, sorry. Sorry, Mr. Trader. Okay, Trader Joe's. Why does this one say this one? Okay. Alright, so this is the same thing, but this is with black summer and truffles. Sorry about that. I'm actually really tired. Yeah, so this one's the cheddar cheese one. I wanted to get this because it has the black summer truffle in it, and I just wanted to see, you know, what the hype is and if it tastes any good. Someone said it really, you couldn't taste the truffle in it in a review, but I want to see for myself. And I finally found some organic. I couldn't find organic anywhere. I could probably go to Sprouts, but I couldn't find any at Walmart or anything like that. So I did find the Trader Joe's organic green tea, which I'm going to start getting organic. It doesn't even cost that much more than the regular. And I'm going to start going organic because I actually watched a whole documentary on how pesticides are used on regular tea and how they're allowed to use so much before they actually list it on the packaging. And they always say when you're going for tea, they say to go organic for some reason, because if you don't, you're putting yourself out there to a lot of pesticides, maybe, and you never know. So I'm trying to go organic, but it's hard to find it everywhere. All right, and then for the snacks, this is what I love. These are like probably $5.99 or maybe $6.99. This is a big bag. 50% less salt, dry roasted and salted pistachios. So that's a good low carb snack, and you just gotta watch the amount you eat. And then I have them open because yes, I already ate some. I thought I had that. Sure. All right, and then these right here. I'm just telling you, if you want some good nuts in the nut section, these right here are raw almonds, organic. They got some pretty good prices. Oh, that one's open, but it's sealed. Okay. Yeah, so these are some really good prices and you get a lot of nuts. I'm surprised because nuts are expensive when you go to Walmart. You get a little bit for like $4.99. These right here are a good, amazing price. I don't know the exact price, you know, off the top of my head, but I noticed in their nut section you could get some good deals and you could get a lot. So I'm going to mix these all together and I'm going to make me a nut mix. Alright, and then I got the raw pecan halves. So these are my go-to nuts for snacking. I get them at Walmart all the time, but I noticed they don't have the raw or dry roasted sometimes, and you don't want oil on them because sometimes they don't use the good oil, I guess. That's what everybody's saying. And if you read the back, it's actually true. So yeah. And yeah, so I did get this because it does have some honey in it, and I don't want to deprive myself of all sugar because I've been sugarless. You could call me sugarless because I've been having no sugar whatsoever. And I thought maybe that's not a good thing because then you're going to be low on sugar, I guess. And I'm going to have to look into that. But I did get this. It does have a bit of honey in it. And this is goat milk cheese. And I just wanted to try it. And it's not that much of a difference as far as carbs and stuff like that. But it does make a little bit of a difference with the honey in there, of course. But being sugarless and no sugar whatsoever and hardly any carbs at all, I think I could do this. So I can't wait to... I thought it was interesting because I've never had the honey, you know, that honey taste with anything. Like if I add goat cheese to anything, it's to a salad. I never put it on a cracker with honey and stuff like that. So I just wanted to see how it tastes with that infused into it. Yeah. And then these are cool little snacks. You know, it's just, you know, it's just cheese and salami. No big deal. But, you know, on the go, I was going to eat this on the way home, but I got kind of sick in my stomach because I just got my vaccine once again, and I'm kind of tired. I don't even have an appetite hardly. So, yeah. So I just put this in the fridge, like, whatever. Yeah, and then I did get their cream cheese. I feel Trader Joe's cream cheese is basically the same as any other cream cheese to me. Yeah, so, and I did grab one of these. This is a big amount, though. You do get a lot of these in here for the price. I think it's $2 and something. So, you know, from Walmart to this, you could basically get the same cherry tomatoes, probably the same amount. So, yeah, but these are from Trader Joe's, and are they organic? Nope. But, yeah, and then this right here is something that I really, really like. And I don't get it all the time. I only got 2 of them. This is shelf stable. You don't have to put it in the fridge. Only after you open it. And, you know, if you ever, like, if we ever have a shutdown once again or anything crazy happens, this is something you could keep in your pantry. And then after you open it, it has to be refrigerated. So this is something you could stock up on. And this actually has a real creamy taste to it. The reason why I got it is for my drink in the morning, my breakfast drink, and my coffee. So I use half and half for my coffee normally, but I just wanted to grab 2 of these and, you know, get it done, get it over with. I would just, you know, I don't shop at Trader Joe's every week or anything, so I just got 2 of these because I actually like the almond milk that I purchased from Walmart. So this one right here, though, I love the almond, cashew, macadamia nut. Together, this is a great, it's a great little drink. So, yeah, try it out if you haven't already. And it's unsweetened. And this is what I really want to try, but I don't even know if I'm going to be trying this. I think I might just save it, and I'll try the green tea and stuff like that. But I think I'm going to start saving wine, because I really don't feel like drinking it, because, you know, it makes you tired, and I work out a lot, and it just, I don't know. I like eating it for the taste with food, but just to have half a glass or a glass, and then waste a bottle and just let it sit, you know, to me that's just being wasteful. And I'm not going to be cooking no spaghetti sauce or anything, or no marinara or meat sauce. So I'm thinking of just starting a collection of, like, nice wines and for the pictures and stuff, like whatever they have on the label, but it's something good, you know. I'm going to start collecting and just saving them and just having a wine collection. So I'm not going to crack this open. I'm just going to keep it. So shout out to Snoop Dogg. Love your music. And maybe I'll taste your wine in the future, a different bottle. But right now I decided I'm going to start a nice wine collection and just keep the bottles. So I'm not going to be drinking it. So this I'm not going to be tasting, but I will taste the organic green tea, and I'm going to be making some new food. Look forward to that. I'm so excited. This is weird, I know, but I'm excited about trying this butter with the seafood and making this shrimp scampi sauce with it. And I'll be uploading not this weekend probably, but next weekend. And yeah, so I don't know if I got everything in there, but yeah. And then shout out to Trader Joe's. I went through some really rough, a really hard time, a rough time, probably like 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. And a person at Trader Joe's was nice enough to give me this bag for free. And because I said I liked it. But I'm not going to lie. I've been through some struggles. I was going through a hard time, and I was saving every dime I had to pay the rent, and I didn't have enough money to buy it. And they took it down from the wall, and they gave it to me. So that was about 3 years ago. So I appreciate everything I have right now, and I am thankful. And I do appreciate those that helped me get to where I am, and I appreciate, you know, what I have, and I'm thankful for it. So I just want to put it out there. There are nice people out there that just do things out of the kindness of their heart, and I couldn't believe it. So they got it down, she got it down, and then put my groceries in it and said you could have it. So I just want to say Trader Joe's has some really nice people there, really good customer service, and just really nice workers. So, you know, it's a nice little place. Hey, and I forgot to mention this, and I am at the end. This is the Trader Joe's Watermelon Facial Mist. I don't really try random products as far as for your face and stuff like that, but with these type of things, just to keep you hydrated, you know, I don't mind. And this is actually pretty good. I used it last night and today when I woke up, and it has a very light smell to it, and yeah, so it's pretty cool. You know, hydration, can't go wrong with that. And then also I use this too. This is I already tried it last night, the shea butter and coconut oil hair mask. I woke up with my hair like really full, and it's really hydrated and really soft and silky and shiny. So this works pretty good. I'm going to use it a second time pretty soon here and see, you know, if it keeps working as the first time. Because sometimes your hair, like, something seems like it's amazing the first try, and then the next try and it doesn't, you know, do as much sometimes with products. But I'm gonna give it another whirl in about a week, and yeah, so I tried it out already, and I'm really liking it. And yeah, so I just wanted to add that in there, and I'll see you guys later.